Level 11, Scales. This lesson updates your scale practice from Level 6 to include string crossing technique. So tune them up and let's have a closer look. Your current scale practice from Level 6 has you playing the scale on a single string. Just like that. Well, now it's time to graduate to string crossing. And here we're going to move across multiple strings in a single direction. On the descent, we'll use fingers 4, 3, 2, 1. And on the ascension, we'll use fingers 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get more into detail, but in a nutshell, this is how your exercise is going to look. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll want to begin this exercise with the hold technique at the 5th position. So you're positioning fingers 1, 2, 3, 4 on frets 5, 6, 7, and 8. And if you don't know what the hold technique is, you'll want to review Level 5. And there we discuss the importance of fretting hand alignment. So from there, you're going to lightly lift fingers 1, 2, 3, and 4, hovering just over the E string. You don't want your fingers flying up or getting out of alignment. You want to keep them right over their respected frets. Don't forget to alternate with your picking hand. We start by pressing the 4th finger on the 8th fret on the little E string. And then we begin our descent. The 3rd finger, the 2nd finger, and then the 1st finger. And this is where the string cross happens. As you're playing the 1st finger, you're going to prepare your 4th finger on the B string. And then we start on the B string with 4, 3, 2, 1. We do the same thing on string G, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we continue, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, and now we're going to turn around and begin the ascent. And this starts with 1, 2, 3, and as we play the 4th finger, we begin our string cross with the 1st finger on the A string. 1, 2, and we continue the ascent. 3, 4. Keep those fingers open and over their respected frets. And don't forget about your alternation. 1, 2, 3, 4. We cross with 1 to the B. 2, 3, 4. We cross with 1 to the E. 2, 3. And we complete the cycle with the 4th finger. And just a quick crash course on overall technique when it comes to this exercise. With the fretting hand, you want to make sure that your thumb stays behind the 2nd finger in general, somewhere behind the 2nd, 3rd, or 1st. You just don't want your thumb flying out to the left or to the right too far. And the thumb will travel along with the rest of the hand as you string cross. You don't want to lock your thumb here and then have to bend your wrist to find the strings. Try to move the thumb with the rest of the hand like this, and that'll help you to maintain a straight wrist. And when you come back down, you don't want to lock your thumb up here and then end up having to bend your wrist backwards. Just bring the thumb down with the rest of the hand. With the picking hand, you want to move along the bridge. We talked about that with our picking exercises. So we want to preserve that angle of attack right here. We don't cross the string by moving the arm up and down like this. And we don't cross the string by moving the wrist up and down like this. We cross the string by preserving the angle of attack, pulling that elbow up and pushing it back down, and you're riding along this bridge. So if you're doing the two properly, they're in sync like this. So both are going up and down together. All right, it's time to get to work, and nothing stabilizes technique like the metronome. The metronome helps you to establish perfect rhythm And it also helps you to set goals. You don't know if you're getting better unless you see those numbers getting higher. Now to demonstrate, I'm going to work with you at 60 beats per minute. That's your goal. If this is too fast, you can always slow me down on the media player, or you can turn off the media player and turn off the metronome and work at a pace that you can handle. Once you get a hold of this, then you can start using the metronome at 20, 30, 40, 50, and eventually you're going to make your goal tempo of 60 beats per minute. Okay, 60 beats per minute. I'll give a 4 count, and we'll begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent work. You can add the string crossing exercise to your existing practice routine. Once you've reached your goal tempo, you can replace the scale exercise from level 6 with this one to save time. All right, well, speaking of time, I got to work on your next lesson, so I'll see you there in level 12.